This supposed breakup letter posted on Imgur went viral and is now being dubbed by many on the internet as the best breakup letter they've ever seen. Well, it is certainly the cheeriest. Hey, I'm Gillian on Buzz60. The letter starts out friendly enough with, "Hey honey, guess who left his Facebook open on the computer and got a message from Kelsey? Yeah, you." Seems harmless, right? There's even a smiley face. But it turns real ugly real fast when the writer tells her apparently now ex-boyfriend that she's packed up all his things and is sending him on a post-breakup scavenger hunt, since he likes looking for things like other girls. Despite the less than desirable situation, the writer keeps her cheerful attitude and uses hearts to separate the clues. She tells him that his clothes are where they first met, his video games are where they first kissed, and he can find the rest of his things at Kelsey's house. She goes on to say that while she didn't break or damage anything, like his laptop or TV, she can't guarantee someone else won't find them first. While it's a creative way to break up with someone, there's still a lot we don't know, like what Kelsey said in her Facebook message or if this breakup letter is even real. But it was a funny thing posted on a website, and that's good enough for the internet. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.